Hello everyone, Yannis here with an intermediate English grammar lesson. We're going to be looking at ed and ing adjectives today. Take a look at this picture. What do you think that she's thinking? What do you think that she's feeling? Do you think that she's enjoying the lesson that she's in? That's right, she is bored. She's bored. Let's look at another picture. What do we see here? We see a bunch of football fans. They're watching a football game. So what do you think they're feeling? That's right, they're excited. So we've got one person who's bored and the other person who's excited. What kinds of words are these? That's right, they're adjectives. But these adjectives are kind of different because they can be changed into another form. Over here we have these adjectives ending in ed, but we can also turn them into a different form by adding ing. So they become boring and exciting. In this lesson, we'll explore how these different forms of adjectives differ from each other. First of all, these adjectives come from verbs. So for example, the word bored comes from the verb to bore. We just add an ed or an ing and we turn it into an adjective. Same with excited. We take it from the verb to excite. We add an ed or an ing and it turns into an adjective. Excited and exciting. Here's another example. Interest. To interest. How can we turn it into an adjective? It can become interested, or it becomes interesting. Another example would be to terrify. We can turn it into terrified or terrifying. The difference with these two adjective forms is with the subject that we are referring to. So in the example with the student over here, the student is bored, but why is she bored? Probably because the class or the teacher are boring, right? Again, our football fans over here, why are they excited? It's probably because whatever they're watching is exciting. So what can we learn from this? That ing adjectives refer to the source of the feeling. That means where is the feeling coming from? Whereas with the ed adjectives, they describe the receiver of the feeling, the people who get the feeling from the source. So in these examples that we had earlier, the class is boring, which is making the student feel bored. On the other hand, football fans feel excited because the football match is exciting. Let's do a quick exercise. Choose the correct adjective form in the following sentence. And the answer is, I'm interested in science because science is interesting. Now let's try something a little harder. You can pause the video and do the exercise on your own in your notebook, and then you can unpause the video to look at the answers. So here's the exercise. Change the verbs in brackets into the appropriate adjective forms. Now here are the answers. And that's the lesson. Now you have an understanding of how to use ed and ing adjectives. In the description below, I have a list of adjectives that are ed and ing, and you can use those to practice making your own sentences with different ed and ing adjectives. I hope you learned something from this lesson. If you did, please leave the video a like because it helps my channel a lot. And if you want more lessons like this one, please be sure to subscribe here on YouTube. I also offer online tutoring, which you can learn more about at yannisenglish.com. Remember to practice, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.